Welcome everyone back to the Simple Dad YouTube channel. Today finally I have got hold of the new One UI 8.5 fluffy icon pack on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and I've installed it here. So it's very nice and it's a beautiful icon pack. Unfortunately not all are changed, but mostly are changed, like example Chrome, you have YouTube, you have Facebook. So they're all working icons, so they're not just for show. There's no issues or bugs which I've encountered. All works as it should, just like the factory icons. So let me show you how to install this on any Android device or a Samsung Galaxy device. This is mainly built for Samsung Galaxy device as it has Good Lock app to help it customize it. However, you can go ahead and install it on other Android devices, as I've seen other installers built in to this app as well. So if you want to learn how to do this, please watch from the beginning of this video till the end. If this video was informative for you, please smash that like button, subscribe and share it with your friends. Any issues or compliments, please comment down below. So let's begin. So first of all, how do you get this icon pack installed on it? So this process won't be anything difficult. It'll be straightforward without any hassle. So first you want to go ahead and open up the Play Store. Now in the Play Store, you want to go ahead and search for One UI Fluffy Icons. So you need to go ahead and download it. There is a cost to this application. In UK, it cost about £1.59, while for my Indian viewers, this will cost you about roughly 190 Indian rupees. And for my US viewers, this will cost you about $2.20. So for those of you who cannot find this on the Play Store, I have put a link in the description down below, so you can go ahead and click from there. Or you can go ahead and just use circle to search, and you can go ahead and just search it like this. So now what I want you guys to do is go ahead and download this application and install it. Now I'll go ahead and explain the install process for this. So first you want to go ahead and open the application. Now this is the application itself. This is how it looks like. So you'll get an introduction with all different icons showing up. However, once you skip that, this is all the options you have. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and scroll down and you need to find this button called Apply Fluffy Icons. So go ahead and tap on this. Now this will take you into a installer screen. So as you can see, it has detected that my phone is a Samsung phone. So it's detected the launcher, which is Samsung One UI. However, for those of you who have different phones, like maybe the Nokia or Google Pixel phones or maybe Redmi phones, these are all the launchers which are available where you can basically customize or use this icon pack. So as you can see, there's so many supported launchers which you can use this icon pack with. Let's go ahead and tap on the launcher. This will give you an introduction of how to do this. As you can see, it's using the theme park, which is a module in Good Lock app. So you need to make sure that's installed in your phone. For those of you who don't know where to find the Good Lock app, you can go ahead and open up the Samsung store. And Good Lock app is available right here. Go ahead and search for Good Lock. And here it is. Go ahead and download this. Let's go back to the app. We'll press OK. And now this will take you straight to the theme park. This is a module within the Good Lock app. Go ahead and open this. Now you want to go ahead and tap on icon here, just at the bottom. Go ahead and create a new icon pack. Tap on icon pack here. And then this will basically automatically detect that you have that fluffy icon pack installed. So you'll find it within the third-party icon pack section. Go ahead and tap on this. This will now install that fluffy icon pack to your phone. Just give it a few minutes. So as you can see, it's installed it. Now for those of you who are having issues where the icon pack is not filling in some of these apps, like maybe the Eufy app or my solar panel here, you need to go ahead and choose a custom icon shape. So I'll go ahead and choose this square one here. Next, we'll go ahead and choose save, and we'll go ahead and save this, give it a name. And now we'll go ahead and wait for it to save. And now once that's saved, you'll see that new icon pack which you just created. Tap on this and then press apply. Now this will apply that icon pack to your phone. So as you can see, it has applied it. So you'll see the changes instantly across your home screen and your app drawer. So as you can see, this is like a fluffy effect on your icons. And that's how to install the One UI 8.5 fluffy icon pack on your device. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment your thoughts below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay safe.